Welcome friends to another session of the Silk Route to Excel at Work. The past few sessions we have been learning about the various functions in Excel and a few tips and tricks to get the best out of Excel. Thanks for being with me. Please inform your colleagues, friends to subscribe so that they, you, me can all excel at work. In the last session we looked up the match mode option of -1. We'll go further on the same match mode. For example, this is a commission table with the various percentage commissions for a sales amount above a fixed amount. For example, for 100 it's 4%, 125 it's 5%, and so on and so forth. This, as you can see, is not sorted. In VLOOKUP we need to sort this data to get the correct commission rate. In XLookUp sorting is not mandatory. You just need to give the option for MatchMode as -1. -1, as you might remember, if I give MatchMode, I have got options of exact match, the exact match on next smaller item, the exact match on next larger item, a wildcard character. We'll again use the exact match, or say next larger item 1. So for 80, this scans the whole data and stops at 75 because 380 is between 75 and 100. So if it is more than 75, it should be 3%. Okay, fine. So let us make it larger or next smaller. This is the correct. For sales above 75 but below 100, it is 3%. For sales of 100, it is 4%. For sales above 100 but below 125, it is 5%. So for 126, it should be 5. So the beauty of XLookUp is that data from where you need to look up need not be sorted. So the minimum percentage is 2 for a sales value of at least 50. If you make 50, the sales commission is 2%. If you make 49, it's an error because there is no incentive for sales below 50. So what do you do here? Well, of course you can always have error message stating no incentive. But then it doesn't actually calculate. So the better option is 51, the sales is 2. So what is the amount? The amount is, let me just format it. The amount is sales times commission, which is 1.02. If you want an actual figure, this comes into 1,02,000. Fine. So if the sales is 250, the commission is this much. If the sales is 50, the commission is this much. Fine. Now if the sales is 49, no incentive, the amount is again wrong. So for this, what you can do is put a 0 value, the commission is 0, and then increase the Excel formula so that now this goes up to here and this goes up to here. So what happens now is that the sales is 49, the commission is 0, amount is 0. At least now you know that there is no question of error here, and if sales is more than 250, it is 300. Irrespective of any figure above 250, the commission is flat at 9%. So this is how you use a combination of match not found, use the error and the match mode. We'll go further to the match mode in our next section. Hope you have learned something new or refreshed what you already know. Please subscribe and share this with your peers, friends and colleagues to help them, you and me to excel at work. Thank you for watching.